Hello guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I will be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we will be doing a drawing tutorial. Today we are gonna draw a raven from TeenTitansGo. So let's get into it. For this tutorial you will need a outliner, a pencil, a sharpener and a eraser. Okay, so let's get right into it. Right, so here we go. Let's begin. First, let's draw the anatomy. Draw a half circle, a curve at the bottom. Okay, so draw it as light as we can. Okay, so imagine that this is the center. Bring the line till here. Bring it till here. Okay, so there you go. Extend this line down. It's a little bit curved. Then from here, just this and like this. It gets a bit thicker over here. Alright now. Or just make it more thin here. Okay, so you got the basic anatomy, pretty simple. Zoom in. Yep. So it's pretty simple now. Now let's shape the face better. The head, I mean. That's good enough, I guess. It has a nice curve to it, just make it as smooth as you can. So now we got a pretty nice head just over here. So yeah, so we got a pretty nice head. Alright, so of course not a complete head, just the anatomy. Now let's start detailing it. Place that line over there, it as light as you can. Just a follow through of this line and then make a mark over here about this much high. Curve it till this point and to this point. Okay, so this line shouldn't be so rugged. So that's good enough. So it should get thin over here. So just, really thin. So thin, but alright. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Let's keep going. Find a point here, a bit right to this side. Curved line. So good. Yeah. And increase this bit. It's a bit awkward at the moment. It will make it look good when we keep going. Right, so now for the eye line, it's a bit down. Okay, over there, that would be nice. Make sure that the eyes are equally, equal in size. Just like that and like that. Looks a bit really awkward. Shaping it up. A bit more like this, more like this, more like this, more like this. What I would do is, I see the center line, bring it more closer, like over here. Really, really close. Hope it's clear. Just making sure that it looks good enough. It looks like the character, Since it's a cartoon and there's not that much details, like the realistic eye, mouse nose, just try bringing it to the fullest of its potential, you could say. Alright, so twice. So we'll detail it in just like that and like that. So correct. So just a mistake over there. Yeah, so you got that, color that in, yeah. Nice, fun, Yep, so good. Let's continue. It's coming good. Now just again do like this, just a thin line. Just like that. Draw the mouth. Wait a second, and yep, that's more better. It's better. Okay, so it's not so much looking, so just winding it up, The eyes can be done again, actually. Find that spot, there, do that. The eyes. Nice curves to that. Don't make it look, creepy. So that's good. It's good. So start lining it. So okay, so it's pretty good for now. I think we'd make this line steeper so that bring this line more like this, close it over here, take it over there, just darken everything up, bottom the chin, make it a bit more flatter. So good. Let's shade this in. So while inking, I'll do that probably just roughly edit it. So now just make it proper. Right. 2 lines coming down, meeting over here. So just here. Okay, and then a rectangle inside. Then draw the line. So that's kind of like a cape that she has. Okay, so just 2 wrinkles and we're good. We're good to go. I guess just make it more proper. Just another thing, slant the eyes a bit. Slant it, yeah. That's good. That's better. Yeah, so there we go, you guys. You got your Raven from Teen Titans Go. Kinda does look like her, but not that much. It was okay. Right, so there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Just a second. Alright, you guys, so time to go to the inking process.